Before we dive into creating your Udemy course, let's start by looking at the entire journey ahead. We'll go over each of the steps in this journey in more detail throughout the course. The first step to creating a course is determining your course topic. What do you want to teach? What are you an expert in? We recommend that you teach on a topic you're passionate and knowledgeable about and that will provide value to your learners. We'll cover some tips for choosing your topic later in this course. Once you've determined your topic, the next step is to plan your content. This involves empathizing with your ideal learners and what outcomes or learning objectives you want them to have from taking your course. You'll then plan the activities and assessments you want to include in your course to help your learners achieve the learning objectives and create an outline or blueprint for your course structure. Lastly, in the planning stage, you'll script or write talking points for your videos and research and procure any tools and software you'll need for recording. Next, you'll move into the production stage, where you'll record and edit your videos and create practice activities, assessments, and additional resources. Udemy requires that all courses have at least 30 minutes of video content and are recorded in high definition with audio that's free from distracting noises. Don't worry if you're new to creating videos. We have lots of resources to help you, including our test video review service, which we recommend you use to get personalized feedback on your audio, video, and delivery. Once you've recorded your videos, you'll edit them to make them polished and professional. After your content is produced, it's time to publish your course. You'll upload all of your videos, activities, assessments, and other content onto Udemy and create your course landing page, which lets learners know what your course is about and what they'll learn. Before submitting your course, you'll set your price. You can offer your course for free if it's less than 2 hours long, select your favorite lectures to give learners a preview, and write automated messages for learners who enroll in and complete your course. When you submit your course, you'll go through our instructor verification process, and then your course will be sent to our trust and safety team for approval. Once it's approved, your course is live. Celebrate all the hard work you've done in creating your course by sharing it with your colleagues and marketing it with your network. Your journey doesn't end here, however. Once your course is published, it's important to create buzz about it to drive enrollments and get reviews and ratings early on. The best instructors continue to engage with their courses once they're published by answering learners' questions, responding to reviews, improving their content based on feedback, and continuing to market their course. As I said before, creating a course is a journey, but you don't have to go it alone. We have lots of resources in addition to this course to help you along the way. The Teaching Center provides information about becoming an instructor and advice and best practices for creating and marketing your course. The Help Center is your go-to for frequently asked questions, how-to articles, and troubleshooting tips. And our wonderful community allows you to connect with other instructors by asking questions and joining their conversations. You can find all of these resources using the links attached to this lecture.